All right, so next, to move on forward, there's a couple things that need to be done that we may not have done so far. So, let's see here. Crankcase separation. Like I said, we're breaking this whole thing down as low as we can go, and then we're going to clean it up and rebuild it. So it says the next, refer to section 2, because the following parts must be removed before disassembling the crankcase: the oil pump, the water pump and water pipes, clutch, gear shift linkage, alternator rotor starter clutch, cylinder heads, cylinder pistons, and starter motor. So the only part that we've done are the cylinder heads and the cylinder pistons. So let's go. Oil pump. Refer to section 2. Location. To remove the oil pump, the following parts must: front cylinder exhaust pipe, right subframe clutch assembly, gear shift linkage. So we've got the subframe off. Clutch assembly and gear shift linkage. Okay, so let's go to the clutch assembly, section 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here we go. All right, clutch. So we already took off the side panel. This section cover removal and installation of clutch hydraulic system. Clutch fluid replacement, air bleeding. We got that off. Blah 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 blah. Blow it out. We took the clutch off. All right, clutch disassembly. We took that off. We got this thing. Remove snap ring, clutch lifter plate, bearing, lifter guide, and lifter rod. Ooh, that's a lot. So I just bought these Husky 8-inch snap ring pliers. Full warranty from Husky Tools. So now we're working on disassembling the clutch. First thing you do, and this is section 7 in the shop manual. Well, that came out fairly easily. What's in there? That's my pistons. I'm going to leave those alone. So, get Tupperware ready for this. Okay. So first remove the snap ring clutch lifter plate. Says this is the clutch lifter plate. That's the lifter guide. So snap ring, clutch lifter plate, bearing, lifter guide, and lifter rod. So how do we get this out? So just very gently use these 3 holes to push it out, and it is coming out. Ah, there we go. So this is remove the snap ring, clutch lifter plate, bearing lifter guide, which is this, and the lifter rod. Set the transmission into high gear and apply the rear brake. Remove the lock nut and lock washer. So that's that one. So what size is this? I'm seeing that's 1 1/16. Ooh. Okay. Woo! That be on there tight, folks. Okay. Well, there we go. Not much of a pain in the butt at all. So I put this in to stop it. So, remove the lock nut and lock washer. Well, there's the nut. I guess so remove the lock nut and lock washer, remove the clutch spring set plate. And that thing moves around. Not quite sure what that is. Okay. Put those pliers back in there. Remove the clutch plates and discs. So these are the discs, I guess. So it's 1, 2, 3. 4, 5. These come off. That comes off. So none of that looks bad, which is good. Okay. Now we got this thing. All right. Now remove clutch center B and the one-way clutch. So it says remove the clutch center B and the one-way clutch as an assembly. So it says one-way clutch. Oh, there's another. All right, so that's that. Remove clutch center A and washer. Well, that's not as hard as I thought it was going to be, but those are some big parts. And woo, now we can see some fun stuff. So once again, I'm not quite sure what I'm looking for. For anything that just looks bad. You know, just what would be causing my bike to run poorly. So complete breakdown, still underway. There's the clutch disassembly. There's the inspections. Oh, not going to get through that. Now, this is the oil pump drive socket. And then when you're in, these are the pins right here. It says there's another one up here, and so I'm just going to be checking. It might have just been bad gaskets, you know, I don't know. We'll continue the breakdown and see if there's nothing else continuously wrong with it. All right. Thanks.